Oh my God! Don't do it. No, I'm so scared for you.
What is the time now actually?
5:26.
5:26. So it's here makan Tepi River, Tate Pongjin Aside, and we are planning to bake to Shangnyu village. Shangnyu village, by any means, Achirati Pongjule say I don't know how long it will take. I think around 2.5 hours. And I am Mohan Pongjuni, Vamna Korea say, journey exhaust pe hoise, but yeah, quite interesting Mohan in a Jaginaita. The Gari, no, I mean, light Nataga, right? Man, Palwana Dike. And light flesh to member and my brother is there, so Johnny Naja Senia Kona Busti Pongjubo and Bustila vlogs in Ashuru and ideas stay tuned guys. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. We are about to reach my native village. Because of road condition, I feel like I'm frying in the cry right now. Stuck in different place. Oh my god. Right now we are in the heart of Longpo village, so I think it's about to reach only 2 to 3 kilometers away from here. So we're gonna reach out. It's already finally we reached to our home safe and sound. Oh my god, thank god for guiding us throughout this journey. Woo! This is my home.
Oh, finally.
Finally we did it. Yeah, thank you driver stop.
Thank you.
Woo! I think you are enjoying the ride now. Have you been before like this kind of road condition?
No, never.
It will be one of the.
That was really bad.
It's gonna be one of the struggle
Yes.
memories.
Yes, yes.
See, whoa, too dirty. Car is too dirty. We'll meet with her mom. Come. Yeah, this is the place. Yeah. My brother, younger brother bike. Yeah. Opang dekat nu. Isa pando.
Hello.
Hi, Legume.
Nice to meet you.
That's my mom. Yeah, cousin sister. Shilano. So finally we are meeting with my mom. So you have a seat. Have a seat near the fire.
Thank you so much.
So guys, Busti Bungi. But finally, as I've been sound, we reach out to our village right now. So enjoy with dinner, please. Yeah. Enjoy grace today. The main thing. Opai nai. Uncle auntie can sab jama kursi. मैं महा के कुछ पाइना बोले भी लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश तो कौन बाबी कोता को ना पारे सब मानो एक किलो और एक बार हंसीबो ओलो ब्रुकिबो ओलो हंसीबो इनगाय साइन ऑफ वेलकम ताइके कुशी बादो ना ये तो कोई दिया से मैम लाओ पोट भी ना I hope you will understand about it. So we can enjoy dinner together right now. So we are about to explore Shangnyu village. Alak alak manukhan mahan jaga de pongji ase. I do request all the friends Makan ini ga 1 kilo ore bira aji mem nor kon moi bira ase itu manu brahi phalba guide korul no hai amni rasta ke lok pa manu tak ke bi notun manu ekta aisi gole do them guide them show them the ways. That's what I want to encourage to all my peoples those who are visiting from outside. And you just imagine that if you were in somewhere else in a new place, what would be in your condition? From Tizit we went to Longba. We just had a great journey. We experienced so many new things, and thank you so much Longba once again for warm welcome and every initiative. Aro aji bostire ita pongjina ase Shangnyu village to aji explore kule ase man ki khai ase to khai ase yam kochu man mate itu khai ase patawra wan sabji kan. It's quite simple. Moige ki thaki ase moila khor ki thaki ase to khai ase nutun cheez karne ke liye man try karo na thaga opor de na ki thaki ase to brahi man try korne ne enjoy kore ase dei gona viewers kan opor chanai dia after.
Oh yeah, no, exactly what you said when we were sitting here yesterday with your family, and they couldn't speak English, but I could feel that they were really happy to see me here visiting their village, and we just had a great laugh. And what you said earlier, that was beautiful to imagine to be in their shoes. Like imagine if you are traveling outside to a completely foreign place, like how would you feel and to treat your guests the way you want to be treated, and that was very beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So do enjoy the
Yes,
breakfast.
thank you. It's delicious.
2 go. One family photo. Nang kau siapa kau lihat? 1 2 go. King Palace. Angla khore bungja. Ye mana mem lagi na bungja sih. Well, this is the King Palace. Oh my God. This is the place. So, thank you guys for watching our video, and thank you everyone for supporting us. Right now with the meme in Shangnyu village, the King Palace with the chief of Shangnyu, Paduchanu, and they are going to say something.
Thank you. 2025 January new Konyak from Korea, South Korea kangai. Sanuti sao the hung hai the mấy sự mong mấy cái. Hawa mà long phong phi nung cái Korea cái là long phong phi nung kangai long phong mà sang. Konyak mà ting ban ani heritage kingdom ting khoa mà bong han ting mà chiếm chỉ ting chứ mà cũng sang ting nhau. Lấy phê một chút ít thì khá là hay luôn ngô. Ata juga ipol hai dengan wei. Siapa cuma tu sang tinggal tu hung hai le, bermai silmong mai ke. Sabar bo, ko betul mai semai le. New game, oyang South Korea kan, North Korea kan, USA kan, Australia kan, tam juga Afghanistan kan, Europe kan, Arab kan, USA kan, hai ke. Mấy sự mong mấy cái con tôi đang mình thấy history ta tay bộ sanu tiền sao mà history number one mà cái nút nào man á 18 20 18 15 generation tu bộ cái nút cái nào man cái nút cả sanu tiền một tu bộ nào man sắp ra mà ahom apa nang kapo chim lang ka hotai tai chong pa siko lang la le alan ba jang la le sang ko me konyak ke me lan mi ting mu chi tham la le zuwa ko le simsa ko ma ka vai bo ka buwa pau la le sam la vai hu bu ko zu ha dang moi man la le naw ma na ahum raja a chang la le 35 years le ngo bo le bo konyak kem chau pha ting to huang South Korea kan Happy New Year polang ka velale now the mong mai bu ka le ke ting sang ma pu now man ting sang ma pu chau pa ha da le hu pu pa malik pa da le ku le ke ai le ko fa salam lam pele ku history short ma le tam ke mai sil mong mai ke ko ka thank you.
Thank you so much. So it's too long. We are narrating lots of story about the village, but I couldn't able to elaborate everything in detail. But it's a sign of welcoming now to this place for the first time in 2025. The appearing in the media or YouTube channel. So he considered as a chief of many villages, considered as a blessing for visiting to these very places. So it's a historical place. Actually, we couldn't able to manage everything. It's a main sort of history. It used to spread in this place. The king from the king brother is ruined like Assam from these very places, and there's a lots of every monuments or everything that we have seen, witnessed has every own stories. So we consider as a blessing, and he do apologize that if while he is speaking in front of camera he makes something mistake, and in front of God we apologize to everyone those who are watching to us. So it's appreciate that you are visiting to Shangnyu village to discover all these things that what he want to say. And if you has any message to Shangnyu people those who are watching right now, or Sangyan people, Konyak areas, we are by now with history with different villages, different state, neighboring state because of this village. So if you have any message those who are watching to us, yeah.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you for the warm welcome and the note. It's an honor to be the first guest of this year. I didn't think about that, but yeah, it is. And yeah, what an honor to be here. Thank you. Everyone's so friendly. The kids are friendly. And there's a museum with all the artifacts. It's preserved pretty well, and it's so beautiful to see. And there's lots of history and story. So I was very happy to learn about that. Yeah, I'm so happy to be here.
Yes, since you are visiting for the first time in this very village, what will be your topmost advice to our villages? Where are we gonna improve?
Oh, I know.
What is that?
The road condition is really bad. I think it was the worst. Coming here from Longma to entering this village, it's the worst I've experienced, not only in Nagaland, but I think probably in all my life. It was really bad. I think it was tough for everyone in the car, the driver. The car got stuck a couple times. Which can be scary too and dangerous, especially if we're driving alone at night. There's going to be no one to help us. We're just going to be stuck and would have to walk for hours. Who knows? So if that could be improved, that would be so much better for all the people. There's lots of people living in this village, and it will give them the freedom to go out and explore and visit other places as well. There's so many beautiful places to explore in Nagaland, so it's kind of a shame the road conditions, it's so poor. If that's corrected, I think it will be a blessing for everyone.
Yes, thank you so much for your advice. Yeah, guys, I'm to be she's the kind of person who speak very frank and straightforward to the point, and I love the way you speaking and the frank with all the friends those who are meeting with you. Yes, we used to call a lifeline to a main road. If the lifeline condition in this condition, then how can we expect that there will be a civilization or standard, or we can make an upliftment in our society?
There's only one road.
One road only. And if we improve the road condition, we can improve the living style. That's what she want to say.
There could be so many improvements.
We hope and pray that all the department will be looking forward to the condition of road. After some few years, itu patela khorde, angla khorde pungjakan aram brana, safe and sound, we can reach out to this place. Aru taila atma bhi haraule saman with a because of jerking and all these things. She's quite afraid because for the first time she's exploring and experiencing something new. That is what worst experience, just say. So so I will in the man improve kule. Leaders can be itu about the koilito. So karni kam kura ekta hole man hope kura chanai diase. Thank you. Thank you so much. Konu morong ekta banabole jagate man pongji jai ase and all the friends. Kam kura khan ase? Are kam kura khan iman sundor le kina ho. Ai hi. Ai zain khu mat dayo. Hello. Secretary of the village. What you guys doing right now, brother?
We are planning to construct Morong.
Is there a skull out there?
No, now it's already thrown out.
Thrown out?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, we are with Mayim. We went there to witness that skull. Yeah, actually.
You can, it might be here some piece of skull, but not like before. No?
Not like before.
Some pieces.
He's also a good singer. And a vlogger. Sometimes only he use. Hey, Hamzan ma, now ja rulale. Kema. Oh. Chalo. This is called teamwork, no? Yeah. They use to craft site. There is a lot of story. Yeah, this is squirrel that we ate before. Padong. You can have this long one.
Yes. Yeah, it was beautiful. Yeah, I'm being a good guide.
Hello. Hi, Ligo. Hi. Wow, very smart. Sarang hai gobi. Actually, we are searching for a skull, but because the tree fall.
I've never seen a human skull in my entire life.
Hello guys.
Zai bilai ko me. Zai dugo.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Welcome to Bake Another with you.
Oh my God. Aro ko bito. Hello guys.
Hello guys. Welcome to Bake Another with you.
Oh my. very smart. Yeah. Welcome back to my channel, Kobe.
Welcome back to my channel.
Jura Kobe. Welcome back.
Welcome back to my channel.
Oh, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please
Please
consider by
consider by
like,
like,
subscribe,
subscribe,
and share.
and share.
Thank you.
Thank you.
May God bless
May God bless.
you all.
Don't forget to comment.
Don't comment. Comment Kobe Somanu. Comment.
Comment.
Please.
Please.
Shangnyu.
Shangnyu.
That's your done, Majo. Very smart. Slowly.
The kids are better climbers than me.
Yeah, villagers. So they have bits of climbing all these things. Yeah, you go down. You can go alone, right?
Not really.
Huh? Really? Can I take a shawl?
Yes,
It's okay. Give it to me.
because I will get it dirty.
Chalo. And so, let's see whether if she fall down, it will be in the video. It's too up, yeah. Get it down, please. Oh my God, you did it. Oh, whoa.
So hot now.
It's cold for first time.
Yeah, I don't ever remember seeing a skull.
Why don't you touch that skull? Yeah.
I don't want to.
You are afraid of touching. So right now we are in Konyak Morong. We have already dismantled this Morong and they are about to rebuild the Morong.
Yeah, no, I just witnessed them playing the log drum to keep up the motivation, like the energy, right?
Yes,
It was really powerful, and I got to participate a little bit thanks to Tinglen, and it was such a fun experience.
Yeah, thank you. Now we are in Tingsang view.
I think you have. Let's do his first, and then you have to probably go further for the photo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Are you?
So guys, let me tell you guys. Right now we are in Tingsang Cliff. Tingsang do laga cliff te pongise ma'am mojon Shangnyu village. Ko jaga de birai. Are you scared?
Yeah, no. Oh my God! Don't do it. No, I'm so scared for you.
We even go to that side.
No, please don't.
Some of them, you know, they just hang out there with
Please don't.
only
do it.
lake, nah?
No.
We used to have a competition.
No.
It's too deep, you know. When villagers see that's only don't worry, see that side.
I think you should go.
That side, nah?
Yeah.
All the villagers they are doing a field.
Okay.
Ready field, and many people are working out there. It's too deep. But if we are going to reach that place, it's too far away, no?
Yeah.
Deep down.
Yeah.
So I think you won't be able to
No,
do the
no,
side.
no.
So we're gonna move out, right?
Yes.
I'll go like this. Wait, okay? I'll go first and I'll have you out to some space here.
Oh my god.
No need to worry.
I can't even look. It's so scary. What are you doing? No, can I take photo by myself?
Yeah. Let me take photo for you, okay? Oh, you want to take a phone? Or I will click for
Yeah,
you.
just photo.
Woo! So scary.
Oh, it's not open. ID.
Oh, no, you can just there. See the camera? No, click, press, no, press. Yeah.
Yeah. Since I'm not, I can use it. Oh my god,
Looks
looking
good?
pretty, yeah. One, two. Looking scary. Looking good. No need to worry. All time. It's just round.
I know, that's so cool.
See here.
Oh my god, Lord.
$1 billion more.
Be careful.
First, let
Okay.
me do it. I will start something like that. After that, with that sound, 2 times.
Okay. Okay.
Do like that, okay? So,
Uh-huh.
1, 2, go. Let me start. Now, come on. With that sound. Yes.
Oh, I can't do the left. I can't do the left. What?
Both. You do like that. Now,
Ah, okay.
do like that, okay?
Okay.
Let me beat you. I'll make a little bit louder
Okay,
for you,
okay.
okay? So, yes. Thank you so much. Oh,
Oh, big one?
Deepika.
Chuka.
We are enjoying with Deepika.
Delicious.
How's it taste?
Very good. It's like, it tastes like chestnut for me.
Have you ever tasted this before?
I think usually we eat like this, just boiled. It's first time eating it like fully grilled in the fire, and it brings out more of the smoky flavor. It's very nice.
barbecue.
Barbecue. I love it. Very good.
Thank you so much. So friends can load this na. See, all time. This chukri load na money as it. This is pika. We used to call pika in our dialect.
Pika.
Pika. It means black tea. And it's a green leaf. The hukzang chutney is here, and I want the chamarcha is here. So you want how man it tastes everything. So yeah,
It tastes like basil. Very
thank
nice.
you so much. Yesterday we are about to move out from Shangnyu village, and we just had a great time. Thank you each and everyone, and especially our brother, who is the one who guide us. At the end, the guide is with me. So guys, we're gonna move out from this place, Shangnyu village. Right there, man, jai say. So, pura jaga de 1 kilo birai na, 1 kilo birai explore guise, King Palace explore guise,
Yes.
Skull 1 kilo sai
Yeah.
and Ting Sang view 1 kilo sai. So, apni la experience kine ase.
It was awesome. Yeah, it was much more than what I expected. I got to see the remnants of a skull from a head that was hunted. or years ago, I guess, long time ago. The view was beautiful. The view is actually really stunning here. I wasn't expecting the view as part of the experience, so I'm really happy with that. And the king was so friendly and nice. It was a nice experience to meet him.
Thank you so much. First time she's visiting us. Oh, 안녕하세요. 그래서 뵙고 message say. No, guys. Thank you so much, guys. So we're gonna move out right now. No.
Thank you so much. My cake.
아저씨,
My cake. Thank you.